In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload photos or images on Gemini using your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and open Gemini app on your smartphone, and to add or upload any image, go ahead and tap on this plus icon. From here, you can either take an image directly using your camera, or you can attach a photo from your gallery. Go ahead and tap on gallery, and this will take you to your gallery. Choose the image you wish to attach by just clicking on it, and then tap on add, and this will be uploaded on your Gemini mobile app. From here, you can now ask Gemini to extract any information using the above app. For instance, explain to me what is in this image, just like that, and Gemini app will go ahead and analyze the image and then give you all the answers pertaining to your question. So that's how you can upload and extract information using Gemini app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.